Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about how to use magnesium glycinate powder. Now if you have magnesium glycinate in capsule or in tablet form, then it's really simple to use. You just follow the instructions. But what about if you have it as a powder form like this one, for example, which is a local brand? How can you best use it? What is the dosages? What is the timing? What is the ways that you can mix magnesium with other beverages in order to use it correctly? All this we're going to discuss in today's video. Now if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We do daily videos such as these talking about specific supplements, my own experience using them, and a couple of precautions you need to know. Using magnesium glycinate powder is straightforward, but it's important to follow always the recommended dosages and guidelines on the brand. But in this video, I'm going to talk about a general guide on how to correctly use magnesium glycinate powder, as well as a couple of additional tips towards the end of how I personally use it and my experience with it. Now let's talk about the dosage. Start by determining the appropriate dosage based on your individual needs and your health status. Now the recommended daily intake for magnesium does vary, but a common dosage for magnesium glycinate supplements is just around 200 to 400 milligrams per day. However, individual requirements does vary, and it's always best to consult your own healthcare professional for more personalized advice based on your own weight and your height and your specific requirements. Let's talk about measuring the powder. Now, magnesium glycinate powder usually comes with a scoop or spoon for measurement, and this way you would follow the instructions on the packaging in order to determine the correct serving size. What about mixing? What can you mix it with? Well, magnesium glycinate powder can be mixed with water. It can be mixed with any beverage of your choice. I like mixing it with my electrolytes, and if not, I'll just mix it in the morning smoothie. And it's often recommended to mix it with a small amount of liquid in order to form a paste before adding it to another liquid such as a smoothie or a lemonade to help with digestion and to help with powder dispersion. How about the timing? What is the best time to take magnesium glycinate? Well, some people find it easier on the stomach when they take it with food, and I highly recommend you do take it with food and don't take it on an empty stomach. Now it's important to be consistent. For optimal results, always try to take magnesium glycinate consistently at the same time each day. Now here are a couple of additional tips that you might find helpful. So if you find that the taste or the texture is unpleasant, you can mix the powder with a flavored beverage to mask the flavor. And a wonderful version or a wonderful drink that you can mix it with is lemonade. You can also mix it with your favorite shake or smoothie as well, and also you can buy and purchase unflavored magnesium glycinate. The second tip is to avoid excessive usage and avoid exceeding the recommended dosage unless specifically advised by your own healthcare professional. And lastly, if you are taking any medication, if you do have any pre-existing health conditions, always consult with your healthcare provider in order to ensure that there are no potential interactions with the medication and you're safe to do so. So it's also crucial to note that individual responses to magnesium supplements do vary. Magnesium is generally safe for most people, but excessive intake can lead to side effects such as diarrhea, stomach cramps, laxative effects as well. So if you do experience any of these effects, or if you do have concerns about your own magnesium supplement, consult your healthcare professional. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.